You're listening to Startup Stories on Good Morning Delhi with Sartak.
Falling into our lap this morning, of course, is Zanskar Foods. Zanskar, actually, not Foods. I wish it was. This is more about health. As you can see, breakfast is still not gone down very nicely in my stomach. So, food's coming up. But Zanskar Health is what we're talking about. The wonderful Manu and Anshul are here with us. This is about taking pain away, which I think on a Wednesday morning is a lovely thing to talk about. Manu, Anshul, thank you very much for joining us. And
thank you for inviting us.
Thanks for having us.
Do tell us where this obsession with taking away other people's pain began.
Yeah, so actually Anshul and I are the founders of Zanskar, and we are building a D2C brand for muscle and joint pain relief, where the idea is that there are legacy brands that we've kind of used for taking away pain. By the way, Anshul and I are like friends from college, so both of us went to IIT Delhi.
Okay.
And it was only
no wonder you know what pain is.
It was only later actually that he got to know मेरी पेन के साथ इतनी बड़ी हिस्ट्री रही है. So actually just before I was to enter IIT, I got an ACL. I got my knee ACL torn, Anshul suffers from rheumatoid arthritis.
Yeah, so from third year, from 2011, I am suffering from rheumatoid arthritis, and I know what it's like to be in pain, right? So that's why we thought, let's dive into it. We have done enough research ourselves. So that's why we came up with these brands, these products.
But have you had to face a little bit of negativity as far as, just another product that's trying to sort of, take advantage of the human condition, etc.? Have you had to face any of that?
Actually, no. Or I mean, if we have faced, I mean, someone has directed that to us, we have not really noticed because we've kind of come from our own personal background. So there is like history to what we're trying to do.
Sure.
In a way, we see ourselves in whoever we're solving.
I mean, if you were bandaged when you were getting married, that has to mean a lot of pain. So you understand that better than a lot others. Sure, do carry on.
So I mean, like one other insight that we saw was, when a person who is in pain, like depression, for instance, is 65 times more likely to hit a person who's suffering from muscle and joint pain. And this is that's a statistic.
Sure.
That is like a recorded statistic, and I couldn't relate more. So the insight is that when a person who's in pain, they are searching for answers, and they are alone in that journey quite a bit, because not a lot of people.
For sure.
It's not very visible कि कोई चोट लग गई है, कहीं दिख रहा है कि घाव है. It's a lot of times it's internal pain, lower back pain, let's say, right? So the person is quite alone in that journey, and they are looking for answers always. So that is why we decided कि digitally native, like every conversation has moved digital. There are Facebook groups, there are n number of resources online.
Sure.
And people are like, another insight is that the search keyword volume on Google for muscle joint pain related keywords is higher than diabetes.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay.
That is a fact.
And this is a proven fact, of course.
That is fact.
Yeah.
That is a fact. We can prove it. Like you can go on Google and see. So it is a big problem.
Sure.
It affects 25% of Indians. It has to be big. India में इतने लोग हैं, and I'm not talking about.
But do you think, but have you seen, from your own experience, have you seen a little more openness to try newer products rather than just pick up that one name that everyone takes and use it?
I would say definitely, because we are a 4-month-old brand, and we have seen our product sales pick up enough that we now have 5 products launched. We've had to work on a spray as well. People ask for a spray.
Sure.
We have a headache roll-on. We have an oil for people who want to use oil. So yes, I mean, legacy brands tells us that this is a problem worth solving, and legacy brands also come with a baggage also.
Sure, of course, absolutely. Double-edged sword.
Yeah,
absolutely.
It's a double-edged sword. It's an innovator's dilemma.
Absolutely.
So that's what we are trying to carve our place.
Was there any hesitation in the family when you decided to give up Cushy Jogs, considering IIT Delhi and big paychecks are sort of synonyms and all of that? But was there any hesitation, or was family support a given?
So for me, it was kind of given. They are like कि इसको जो मन आएगा यही करेगा. There is no point of even asking me कि क्यों कर रहा है.
Sure.
Right. So for me, it was like कि इसका जो मन होता है. Before that, also like I tried UPSC.
Oh.
So they are like कॉलेज के बाद मैंने 2-3 साल UPSC का ट्राई कर लिया. उसके बाद I had a good software engineering job for 8 to 9 years.
Right.
And after that, I started getting good paychecks. Right. But उसके बाद it's very difficult also. Right. मतलब you don't get this message end of the month. Right. कि अच्छा salary has been credited.
Absolutely.
Right. But yeah, मतलब family support is very important, and especially my wife, she is quite supportive for me. So I am blessed. Yeah, in that sense.
That's important as well. And also what's important is the fact that we are living in the world of social media. So I'm sure there must be learnings. The healthcare sector is full of learnings, is it not? If you can call the pain of entrepreneurship that. But we'd like you to make 3 points. 3 points that you've learned. Give us a listicle of 3 points about what you've learned in this journey that you've taken as entrepreneurs.
I think the biggest one for me has been that you shouldn't be, you need to keep on iterating. You should not be married to your thesis.
क्या IIT term ना मतलब it's fantastic. Married to the thesis. I think I'm going to write that down somewhere and use it so often. You shouldn't be married to the thesis for sure.
So I mean, in the 0 to 1 journey of a startup, right? When we are testing out what this could become, right? While we do have a vision, we are very nimble as to whenever we have to change tactics a little. So we don't have to be married to the, like I very seriously believe that the reason that we've been able to do what we've been able to do at Zanskar right now is because of that. So I think that's the number one thesis according to me. Another one I would say is like we have been bootstrapped for since we founded the company, and that has given us some financial discipline to test out and that was also by choice where we decided कि हमें जो बनाना है उसको सोच समझ के अच्छे से टेस्ट करके then we'll go to market and try and raise funds.
For sure.
Because I think financial indiscipline kind of also erodes a very good idea.
Absolutely.
I think that are the two that come to my mind.
And what are the price points like for Zanskar products?
So this cream is for $449 and it is around 1.5 to 2x the cost of legacy brand, but like the difference is that it has a better formulation and it's a proven ingredients that improve the penetration of the active ingredient that cause pain relief. And also as regards whether people find it heavy on the pocket, we've seen that pain contributes roughly for India a lot of efficiency losses for people.
Sure.
Right, missed opportunities, missed promotions. So, people are more, are less price sensitive. That we have seen at least.
Sure, absolutely. Yeah. Getting rid of pain is priceless, and the generosity with which you've shared your knowledge has also been priceless. So we'd like to thank you for coming in and telling us your story so beautifully. ZanskarHealth.in is where you go to find out more about what we are talking about. Manu, Anshul, this has been absolutely wonderful. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much. Thanks for having us.
So food for thought. Taking away other people's pain can be a little painful for ourselves, but we'll bear it. We'll bear it. We're taking a break, coming right back right here on 94.3 Radio 1. You don't touch that dial, okay?
94.3 Radio 1.